What is up, YouTube? AVI back for another video. Today we have a driveway stain, and we're going to see if Super Clean is going to be better at removing the stains, or the old-fashioned dish soap, which is what all the forums say to use. So we're going to be doing half and half on this stain, and figuring out which one is better at removing driveway stains. Super Clean says dissolves grease. Pretty much you can use this on absolutely anything. We're going to follow the instructions on this, and then we're just going to go to town scrubbing with this, and we're going to see which one does a better job at cleaning it. All right, first thing we're going to do is cover the stain, get a little rinse. We don't have a hose near us, so we're going to have to go the old bucket method. Cool. Now we're going to go to town. We're going to spray half of it with Super Clean. Trying to not get too much overspray here. And then we're going to do half with dish soap. Looks pretty even, right? I think so. Now we're going to go to town. This says let it dry, or don't let it dry, but let it sit. So we're going to try to agitate it, and then we'll let it sit for a little bit. It's basically gone. Let's do the same. Nice. So let's just keep going. Oh, you get a lot more bubbly with the Dawn. I mean, that looks pretty good. We're going to see how it dries. We're going to give it a couple minutes to settle in, work the chemicals, and then we're going to pour the water on it and see our final product. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. We've left these things sitting. The first thing you'll see before we clean it is the Super Clean side, which is this side. Here, I'll do this. Super Clean on this side actually looks like it did go away, where the dish soap looked like it was better initially, but look, it's all returned. It was pretty much just a color thing. It's not actually getting into the stain on the concrete. So what we're gonna do is wash it and see if it goes away. So definitely darker on the non-Super Clean side. You can see this side is significantly darker. If we were to really scrub it, which maybe we should do, Super Clean is definitely lighter. So I think Super Clean is working better. Would you agree? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think so. So yeah, maybe what we'll do is Super Clean definitely works. I think we just gotta spray more, put a little bit more elbow grease into it, no pun intended. And yeah, so I would say if you're looking for get driveway stains out of your driveway, give Super Clean a try, and we'll put the link in the link down below so you guys can try. It's pretty cheap. But yeah, thanks for watching, and just like that, AVI out.